Hi everyone, welcome back to the HTML and CSS tutorials, and let's get started to learn CSS. As I mentioned in our introductory lesson, CSS is the language we use to make our website look pretty. We can use the CSS to change the text, color or the background color, etc. So let's start to learn how to use basic CSS and future. In our next tutorial, we will learn each and everything in CSS. So there are 3 different ways to use style sheets on your web page. I'm just gonna do my CSS projects file, and I already create some lessons to make myself easy. So this is the second lesson, inline styles in CSS. I just double click in it, and here is an indexed file that I already saved to save the time. I just right click in this indexed file and edit with this Notepad++. Make a clear look. Okay. So as I asked, there are 3 different ways to use style sheets on the web page, and these are inline styling, internal styling, and the next one is external styling. The first method is called inline styling, and now we are going to discuss inline styling. Actually, inline styling is when you use styles attributes and write out it in the HTML tags on your web page, such as when I just typed something under this h1 tag, then we are actually using inline styling. In another way, I can say by using the style attribute in HTML elements can be inline styling. So you can see I have a web page, a simple HTML layout, as I discussed all each and everything in my previous lessons. So under the body tag, you can see I had some tags which are h1 and paragraph tags, such as h1 represented heading 1 and p represented paragraph tag. To make a clear sense, I just run this with Firefox. You can see here is my first heading with a paragraph, my first paragraph. And at this stage, website look like what? So this is too simple web page and it's not look pretty. So let's do something with this website page. So let's see, if you want to make some styles within these headings, go back to the Notepad++. As I want to change the color, and we want to do that with inline styling, as we are discussing inline styling. Now I'm gonna to use inline styling within the HTML elements, such as I have to use h1 styles to use styles such as h1 style equal sign quotation mark, and write the properties under these quotation marks such as color, and then type colon and write the name of properties which I want to use, such as blue color, and that is it. Click into save, go back to Firefox and make it refresh. You can see my first heading is pretty blue. So this is all about inline styling, and you can see it is gonna be difficult when every single element have to use style attributes, and it is just like wasting of time when I just put the style attribute again with paragraph equal sign and want to change the color here. Now green, and then click into save, go to the Firefox and make it refresh each and everything. So what we have to do to solve this problem? Actually, this lesson will be more complicated if we talk more about all these things. So it will be the next lesson. So stay tuned and get a comprehensive guide on CSS. Thanks for watching.